A different type of augmented reality experience that you probably experienced before would be through Snapchat, and you can create your own Snapchat filters. These are augmented reality experiences, quite easily achievable. And since the application is already loaded and it's it's used a lot, especially the younger folks use Snapchat a lot. So this might be a good way to communicate your ideas to a younger crowd. Mhm. So if you go and search for Lens Studio on Google, this would be the place that you would be taken to, and then you can, depending on what your operating system is, you can select and download the appropriate version that you need. So once you download, you should have the Lens Studio installed, and I just clicked. I already have it installed, so you should get something like this once you have it. And this is what you would see when you start. You can click on Snapchat and it will take you to the page. You don't need this, and this is the basic setup that you would see. It looks complicated, but it's not. It really is not complicated, and I'll show you why it's not complicated at all. So you can basically go ahead and do this manually. All of these, change certain aspects of the face and such, and do. I'm assuming when I'm saying all this, I'm assuming that you used Snapchat before. If you have not, I would recommend that you do download it and then take a look at Snapchat and use it. At least take a look at some videos of people using Snapchat if you don't want to use Snapchat. So once you have it installed and on your mobile device, if you have Snapchat installed and you've created an account, it makes this process so much more easier to navigate. I've already signed into my Snapchat, so that's why you see my icon here. And previously, before AI was before AI was a thing, Snapchat was mainly Snapchat lenses were created mainly manually. So you had to go into all these, and then you would have to change things one by one, and you would see the preview or the scene here, and then you will see a preview here. However, with new Gen AI tools, you can just give a command and it creates the lens for you. So let's say you go to this section where it says Gen AI suit, and then I'm gonna make this smaller just a bit so that I can see the Gen AI stuff. So you can just say whatever you want to create. So say make a vintage feeling lens that shows the time. You can do that. Make me breathe fire by using head steam when I open my mouth. Show the text happy days on my head when I smile. So you can just basically type whatever you want to create. Like say you want to cat ears on your head. You can just type that in. I'm just gonna click on this just to just see how it works. So when you click on that, when you press enter, it's gonna do its thing. So it's working. Awesome. That's cool. Let's create a cool AR effect where you can breathe fire when you open your mouth, and it does all of the stuff. So let's give it a second, and as it creates, you can see this changes as well. Like the scene is changing as it's creating the Snapchat snap lens. Sorry. So when it starts, it'll say lens done building. You can preview it now. Let me know if you would like any changes. So basically what you can do is you can click on this preview lens, and what it does is, since I've signed in, it's sending the lens to my phone. So you won't be able to see what I'm seeing. However, on my phone I just received a notification since I'm signed in, and Now I see when I open my mouth, I should be able to breathe fire, since that is the prompt that I gave. Let's see. There you go. There's a fiery background, and when I open my mouth, fire pours out my mouth. It doesn't really look that fiery. It doesn't end. Oh, it didn't. But that's how you simply create a Snapchat lens. And I mean, there are so many applications of this that you can use with the social good theme of the class. For example, there is this movement with Native American folks where there's a significant number of Native American women go missing every year. So there is a red handprint movement where they basically paint a red handprint on their face to make people aware of this issue, like of Native American women going missing from these tribes. So you can create a Snapchat lens for this, but just by typing in create a Snapchat lens with a red handprint overlaid on the face or something to that nature, and that would be to make people more aware of this issue of Native American women going missing, and that would be a social good project. Yeah. There are so many other things that you can do basically with your face. You can gamify this. Like if you've used Snapchat, there are gamified lenses that you can use. So you can even gamify this Snapchat lens. So with the Gen AI suit, Snapchat lens, the Lens Studio has become so much easier to use rather than going in and changing things one by one. Makes things so much easier. So I would recommend that you just try this out and see how it goes. And once you're done, of course, once you preview it, you can see it on your phone, but you can also publish it. So you can publish, click the publish button. You can publish this to the Snapchat, I don't know what it's called, like the store. So you can publish it so that other people can also find this and use it on their mobile phones, not just having it on your phone. So you can test that out as well. So that's about Snapchat, and we'll talk more about augmented reality in another video.